In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change options for marking an email as read in Outlook. If you've ever had messages turn red before you are ready, or stay unread when you've clearly looked at them, adjusting Outlook's mark as read behavior can save you time and reduce mistakes. I'll walk you through both classic Outlook on the desktop and the new Outlook or web version and explain what each option actually does, so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. Let's start with classic Outlook on the desktop. First, open the Options window by clicking the File tab. Then choosing Options in the window that appears. Go to Advanced. Under the section labeled Outlook Panes, click the Reading Pane button. If you are already in the Mail section of Options, you can also go directly to Reading Pane from there. Now you'll see controls that determine when messages are marked as read. If you want to stop Outlook from auto-marking, uncheck Mark Items as Read when viewed in the Reading Pane. This stops the Reading Pane from flipping messages to read just because you previewed them. You can also uncheck Mark Item as Read when the selection changes. That prevents Outlook from marking a message as read simply because you moved your selection to another email. These two controls are especially helpful if you arrow through a list or triage quickly and don't want to lose track. If you prefer auto-marking, but with a buffer, turn on Mark Items as Read when viewed in the Reading Pane, and set a delay using wait n seconds before marking item as read. A short delay, like a few seconds, helps avoid accidental marks when you are just skimming. When you are done, click OK, and then OK again to save and close the Options windows. Now for the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Click the Settings gear icon at the top right. In the Settings panel, choose Mail, then Message Handling. Here, you'll find the Mark as Read options. To stop auto-marking entirely, select Don't automatically mark items as read. If you want Outlook to mark messages for you, choose Mark displayed items as read as soon as they are selected, or pick a time-based rule such as marking them read after a few seconds. Don't forget to click Save to apply the change. That's it. Thanks for watching.